This is Seal King. Today we will be showing you how to use our paving stone sealer. Before we begin, make sure you have the following to complete the job. We strongly advise you visit our website and read the product data sheets before any application. Let's get started. First, examine your area for the amount of volume and product you will need. Point out any rust or stain in the area and remove before power washing. Apply the efflorescence cleaner. Attach the product to a normal garden hose. Apply to the area until it starts to fade. Repeat freely until stain vanishes. Now that you've inspected and cleaned the area, let's start the pressure wash. Wait 24 to 48 hours before applying any Seal King sealant. Now the fun part. Let's seal the area. If you are using an industrial pump, apply product in the canteen and pump it until it starts to resist. We are ready to seal. Once you are finished, block the area for 24 hours and let the product dry. How beautiful is that? Looks brand new. For more information, please visit sealking.ca. Seal King, the power to enhance.